Oh yeah, welcome back and welcome to Salzburg, Austria, in the Mirabell Gardens. I believe it's a Habsburg palace. Put some information above and I'll read about it tonight. It's of course most famous for, well, it's not most famous, but it's famous to me, I guess. She was of my generation for the Do Re Mi song. And I do apologise for what's coming immediately after this. Be trying to do a rendition of the Do Re Mi song. So yeah, if you want to see that, yeah, keep watching. But no, it's really lovely. It's nice, isn't it, Maria? I've been to lots of set gardens over the years, but I've got to be honest, it's the best I've seen. Probably because it's earlier in the year than when we normally go travelling. But absolutely beautiful. Roses, set these formal gardens, very, very nice. But okay, I'll leave you to have a look at some B-roll. Hi you guys, Mirabell Gardens, isn't it, in Salzburg? Famous of course for the Do Re Mi song on The Sound of Music.
Yes, indeed.
If you know which notes to sing, you can sing most anything. I apologise in advance. Yeah, it's a bit of B-roll. I'll zoom across. Really enjoying Salzburg. It's really beautiful. Really is. Hiya guys, I hope you enjoyed that little tour around Salzburg. Me and the family definitely have. Absolutely beautiful place. Excuse the big finger. I think we found the best view of the day here. We went up to the castle. We've got a contoured round and wow, yeah, we've been confronted with this. Absolutely beautiful. But it's actually a beautiful city. It really is. Eminently walkable. Not too badly priced. I'm sure because we're off to Vienna in a few days, so I'm sure that'll be more expensive. But this is very, 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 very competitive in terms of pricing and very beautiful. So I highly recommend it. Salzburg, if you're into the sound of music or Mozart or just baroque architecture, mountains, of course. Salzburg is kind of where you want to come. Thanks for coming along with us and take care. See you again.